cheapest 335i, aka twin turbo BMW we could find in the area. $2,000 the asking price. But I have a feeling we get it for a lot less. What do you think?
I think we could.
Here she is right there. We're gonna be showing up any minute now. Here she is. So we ended up picking her up for the low, of course. You know how we do it. The lower the better. Not that bad. The guy we got it from was actually pretty cool. Oh, don't mind that. Little trailer mishap. Pretty nice. So yeah, we got this thing for the low. We only paid $1,000. Twin turbo. It is automatic. Can't win them all. But you got paddle shifters. This has to be the cheapest twin turbo BMW ever. After a long night of towing, we are back at the pad. We pulled some of those covers off to see what's going on behind there. So we got us some turds right here. A little hard to tell, but we found us a boost pipe knocked off already. This is the front turbo. The boost pipe is not connected. So maybe this was the previous owner's problems. Alright boys, we are back. It is the next day and we're messing with the 335i still. First thing we gotta do is get her off flats and get this puppy in the shade. It's like 102 right now. Let's get it. What is that? Holy crap. Alright, inside the car now. We just started it up. Barely any check engine lights. Barely any miles. Looking good. But I just realized someone done cut my seatbelt off. I got no seatbelt. No seatbelt. Crazy. She's running decent. We got the car in the shade so we can work on it without being in the sun. Here's a little glimpse at the inside. Pretty mint. Don't mind the start switch. What that's about. I did find out that our lower radiator supports are missing. Gone. That means our radiator was just dangling. I got it jacked up into the right spot right now. It was previously sitting like this, just dangling. All right, so we're gonna run to town, see if we can't find us some radiator supports and get this thing put back together with a radiator fan. We were able to find those on Marketplace as well for 30 bucks. We're gonna meet up with them right now and go get those. It is a hot one out today, you guys. Oh boy. Alright, we are back in the whip after getting it all fixed up. Fixed our boost leaks, vacuum leaks. We had radiator mounts and supports missing. The radiator fan was not working. But we got all that fixed up. Go ahead and start it up. I'm still having a starting issue, so we've got to start it from the switch in the glove box. Still working on that. This car got 143,000 miles on it. Still got the check engine light. but it's running a lot better. Go ahead and get rid of these. Still missing my seat belt. All right, let's go for another little test drive.